Right now our crew's properly removing the existing gutters. The way they do that is they unattach the strap. It usually has a connection lock on the top that'll just pop right off. You usually use an angle key or something to pop it off. From there, they're removing the existing gutter structure. Once the gutter's down, they'll take the existing hangers and unscrew them from the fascia. Usually they're attached with a 1/4-inch hex head screw, and that's pretty much the process for removing gutters. You want to be as safe and careful while doing this. You don't want the material dropping too hard on the floor. You also want it to be drained out prior to dropping it. First thing we always do when removing gutter is start with the downspouts. The gutter's tied directly into the downspout, so we want to work our way up and then remove the gutter. Each gutter is held in by a pipe band or a gutter strap hanger. You'll see that over here. They mold around and are screwed into the downspout. Same 1/4-inch, 1.5-inch hex head screw. You'll notice on this downspout a few key features. You have your B elbows on half round. A's and B's are the same. It will run away from the house, and up top to get around second stories, fascia boards, any cutout, you're going to be using offsets and continuing up. That way it's not touching any part of the exposed wood in case water runs down the side. It's extremely important to note, even though this is the downspout we're replacing, you want to make sure that the male end is always flowing into the female end. This continues the flow of water no matter what's going on. You do not want the water flowing over and out. This allows the water to flow directly into the next accessory and out the back without having any overflow issues. Pretty much they are attached by a single clip in the back and an arm on the front that locks in. When removing this, all you do is take a tool to pop this off, and this should lift right out. The back of this will still be attached to the fascia. From there, you're going to be unscrewing those 1.25-inch screws and removing this, and you'll have a flat surface and a brand new fascia to mount to. The new hangers that we put on every house is a heavy-duty reinforced steel hanger. You still have the holes for the fascia. When this goes to be installed, the gutter will drop in, this will bend over and hold in the backside, while this bends over the top and holds the front. That will lock it in place, and the structure support on this being heavy duty, you won't have any issues with the weight of water flowing into your gutters.